Hi, so this is John. So this is the third part of our video. So the first part is we print on aluminum foil transfer. Second, we teach you already how to cure. So that's the same process that of regular DTF. And today we were gonna try it and test it in the shirts. So we have the black shirts. So this is the transfer that we print. Okay, this is the sample thing. We just cut here from here. So like this, we just cut it with the scissor. And so this is now the transfer. So now we will put this on the shirts. So this is the video all about. So let's put it like this here. Maybe 5 inches. Okay. So we're putting now on a black shirt. And let's see how it works. So same thing process. Cover it with the so I put it for 300 degrees, 15 seconds. And let's see how things work. And I'm not sure if it is hot peel or cold peel. But I think to be safe is we will do it in the cold peel. Okay, 15 seconds is done. It's ready. So the medium is just the so this is now the shirts. Okay. We let it cool. Now it's cool down. Can you see it? Make it closer. All right, so it's the moment of time. All right, let's see. So you remove it. Oops, I'm afraid. This is my first time, so I never know what's the effect. All right. Yeah, so there's a resistance at the start, but if you just like snap it, oops, if you can see it here, can you? So yeah, so it's like we snap it. So this one is holding it. You cut it from here. Yeah, it's like a it's like you're tearing this apart. Okay. See the first design? Right. Can you bring it closer? You zoom it. So that's the first press. So honestly, I don't know if we need second press, but let's do the second press, okay? So we'll do the experiment. All right, let's cover it again. Maybe another 15 seconds to the edges. You know, the purpose of that is to put the edges to the shirts. So
yeah, accurate.
All right. Woo. Oh, as you can see the difference now. The line of the shirts. So this one goes to the shirts deeper. So if you can see the difference, the line of the grain of the shirts goes with the transfer. So you can see that not. So the first one is without second press, and this one is with the second press. And you can see the grain. Can you see it? Bring it closer, George. You see this one, the grain? You can see the grain. So this is what you do if you do the second press. If you want it shiny, don't do the second press. If you want it, can see the grain there, and press it to the shirt to do the second press. So that's it, guys. So now look at this. So beautiful now. It's aluminum foil. We will make the gold thing also. So this is one of the approach of having this nice film. So we will sell it by sheets and we sell it by roll also. So have a nice day. Thank you so much.